Hello students, welcome to channel Maths Meant by Kamlesh. It is a question for class 11 Maths exercise 4.1 question number 8 from NCERT book chapter 4 Mathematical Induction. Question 8 is prove the following by using the principles of mathematical induction for all number belonging to natural number n. Right? Before this question, we have already solved 7 questions, and all questions are solved on the same pattern, which exists 4 steps. Step 1, 2, and 3 is very easy and common for all the sums. Only in step 4, we have some calculations and some obstacles. So, step 4 must be watched very carefully, right? So, first step is step 1. In step 1 we are letting the equation as p of n. So let the given equation is p of n, means principles of mathematical induction of n number. Then p of n equal to this, we are writing as a p of n 1 dot 2 plus 2 dot 2 square plus 3 dot 2 cube plus dot 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 plus n into 2 power n equal to n minus 1 to n plus 1 plus 2, right? So in first step we are writing the equation in the form of p of n. In second step, step 2, in second step we let n as 1. So if n is equal to n, then p of 1 equal to p of 1 first term 1 dot 2, 1 dot 2 means 1 into 2 equal to 2. So LHS 1 dot 2 will be, and RHS will be n minus 1 to n plus 1 plus 2. So LHS equal to 2. RHS will, at the place of n we shall write 1, 1 minus 1 dot 2 n plus 1. N plus 1 means 1 plus 1 plus 2. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. 0 multiplied by anything will be 0. So up to here it will be 0. Only 2 will remain. So it will be equal to 2. Since LHS is also 2, RHS is also 2. Since LHS is equal to RHS, so P of n is true for n equal to 1. This is second step. In third step we are writing step 3. Let p of k be true if n is equal to k some positive integer. The value of k may be second term, fourth term, ninth term, 11th term, any term it can be. So we are not calculating for every term, supposing the term is k. So we are writing p of k will be 1 dot 2 plus 2 dot 2 square plus 3 dot 2 cube plus dot dot dot, and at the place of n we are writing k into 2k, and this will be at n we shall write k minus 1 dot 2 k plus 1 plus 2, and this we shall write equation 1, right? Now step 4. Step 4. In step 4 we shall prove that n is equal to k plus 1 is also true, right? So P of k plus 1 will be 1 dot 2 plus 2 dot 2 square plus 3 dot 2 cube plus dot plus this n will be k plus 1 dot 2 k plus 1 equal to n will be k plus 1 minus 1 dot 2 k plus 1 and plus 1 plus 2, right? And before this term we shall write it is 2 and it is 3, so this term is 1 less than this term, so this will be one less than this term, so it will be k and 2k plus 1, so this 1 will not come, it will be 2k dot 2k, means you can write this term before this one. Okay, in all question we can write this term before this term. Okay, now we find that from here to here, right, it is equal to equation 1, so we shall write taken RHS of equation 1 for this part. For this part we shall take RHS of equation 1, so it will be k minus 1 dot 2 k plus 1 plus 2 plus this part k plus 1 dot 2 k plus 1 will be equal to k 1 plus 1 minus will be cancelled, so it will be k dot 2 k plus 2 1 plus 1 k plus 2 plus 2. This is RHS, this is LHS. Now we shall prove that this LHS is equal to RHS. So LHS will be this 2k plus 1, 2k plus 1 is placed in both the terms, so we shall take common of it, 2k plus 1, so it will be k minus 1 plus k plus 1 and this 2 will be kept here. Okay, so now it will be 2k plus 1, this will be this 1 minus this 1 plus will be cancelled, so k plus k will be 2k plus 2. Okay, so now we can write it 2 into k, k into 2, k into 2 plus 2k plus 1 plus 2. Now we find that this 2 has power 1, this 2 has power k plus 1, so this will be added. So it will be k into 2k plus 1 plus 1 plus 2, right? So it will be k dot 2k plus 2 plus 2, and this is our RHS, k dot 2k plus 2 plus 2, k dot 2k plus 2 plus 2. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. So LHS became equal to RHS. So P of k plus 1 is true whenever k is true. If k plus 1 is true, k will be naturally true, so k will be also true. Hence, by principle of mathematical induction PMI, P of n is true for all natural numbers. This is our answer. Okay. If you have any doubt, please write in comment box. Otherwise, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Support this channel. Thanks.